Welcome to Islam for Children.
Prompt: create a short animated video telling the story of the people of the cave, Ashab al-Kahf. The video should be visually appealing, using vibrant colors and engaging animation styles. Key points to include: introduction, briefly introduce the story and its significance in the Quran. The persecution, highlight the persecution faced by the young believers under the Roman king. Seeking refuge, show the group seeking refuge in the cave and their prayer to Allah for protection. The miraculous sleep, depict the miraculous sleep of a group of 7 people and their dog for 300 years. Awakening and the message, visualize their awakening, their interaction with the townspeople, and the spread of their message. Conclusion, end with a thought-provoking message about faith, patience, and the power of divine intervention. Additional tips: historical accuracy, ensure the core elements of the story align with the Quranic narrative. Target audience, consider a tone that appealed to children. Background music, use soothing and inspiring background. Voiceover, a clear and engaging voiceover can further captivate the audience.